The most wanted BMW M3 GTR is now a real-life BMW race car. The BMW M3 GTR is a car that needs no introduction in the world of motorsport. Originally built for endurance racing, the M3 GTR made its mark with its dominating performances, particularly in the American Le Mans series. Engine: 4-liter naturally aspirated V8 called the P60B40. It's essentially the slightly detuned version of the race-bred M3 GTR, which made 346 PS and 365 Nm of torque. Instead of a sequential transmission, the road-going M3 GTR came with a 6-speed manual gearbox that comes with a limited slip differential. Don't expect to find any other M3 to come with the 4.0-liter V8, as only 10 examples of the M3 GTR Strassen version were ever made. Weighing just 1,350 kilograms, it was 185 kilograms lighter than a standard E46 M3. M3 GTR. That would have inspired the artwork for Most Wanted back in 2005. When BMW withdrew from the ALMS series, the M3 GTR continued racing in Europe up to 2005. But these particular cars, although P60 powered, featured revisions to the bodywork, aero, and wheels. Step inside the BMW M3 GTR, and you'll find a cabin that merges classic racing style with modern comfort. The interior is designed to replicate the feel of a high-performance race car, featuring race-inspired seats. The driver and passenger seats are designed to offer maximum support and safety during high-speed maneuvers. They are equipped with multi-point harnesses to keep occupants securely in place.